To record this video real quick as kind of a video review. Lost my pocket knife a week or two ago. Needed a new one, so I thought I'd order a nice Damascus one off Amazon, save some money, get a cheaper one. However, I probably wouldn't have wanted to save the money if I knew it was fake Damascus. This is just, a print or a vinyl dip or something like that to make it look like Damascus. It's, don't get me wrong, it's a cool looking knife. It's just not what I ordered, not what not what was advertised, not one bit. Alright, I guess that would be my review.
It's a knife, bitch.